life-threatening flood has struck the Guadalupe River near Kerrville, Texas, reaching its second highest level on record, surpassing the 1987 flood. Homes along Riverside Drive were seen submerged, prompting multiple high-water rescues and evacuations. Over 6 inches of rain fell across the Texas Hill Country from Thursday night into Friday morning. The Kerr County Sheriff's Office is evacuating areas near State Highway 39 in Hunt. 4th of July events in Kerrville have been canceled, with Louise Hayes Park now underwater. Roads closed include Arcadia Loop, Thompson Drive, Guadalupe Street, Rio Robles, and Riverside Drive. Residents are urged to avoid travel.